Okay, so if no one comes to this site, it's called Someone's Bones. You should check it out. It has some pretty good intel on it. First, let me take you back to the main page because I want you to see the stuff that's on here on this site. Starting with, if no one knows, I was going to do a video on this and I forgot. Thanksgiving popped up and blah. Anyway, got busy. So, but Pope Francis literally is praying because he's afraid of Nibiru, and all the popes and all the bishops and all the Catholic whatevers, higher ups, they're all scared to death about this Nibiru because they think they're going to be wiped out. But the crazy thing is, in this, it says to repent now, and once Nibiru is gone, they can go back to their dirty deeds. So you should check this Pope Francis prays for deliverance from Nibiru out. It's pretty interesting. The government conceals California death toll. We know that. They never give us the real death toll on anything. The hurricanes, the earthquake, nothing. We never get the real story. Everyone knows that. DOD is furious over hot musket leaks. And just look at this. Look at this. The devil's in the details. November 19th, 2018. Well, that's 11/1/9. So that's 9111, right? And then 2018 can be 1/1 if you put them all together, or it could be 8 plus 1 is 9, and the 2 is 1/1. So we got another 911. So that's interesting. Look here. 8 plus 1 is 9, 11. 911, and there's another 911. What's this one? An upside down 6 is a 9, 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 1 or 911. See what I'm saying? What's this? 3. Yeah, so I don't know what this is. This is a 311, which actually has meaning too. And then this would be 11. So we go forwards and backwards, 311. 911. Again, gun confiscation gone nationwide. 911. It's always in the numbers. The dumb stuff. This one don't have a real number on it, so I'm not sure what's going on with that one. But the devil's always in the details. This is 1111, and then all bunch of ones. Or 1111, and then 911. But anyway, let me get back to what I'm talking about. So the DOD is furious over the hot musket leaks, okay? Of course, there is no such thing as hot musket, right? Oh, yeah, sure. And I'm going to do a story on this. Migrant caravan armed with the RPGs. That's an interesting story and pretty brutal of what's coming to America. But, so hot musket's not real, right? But hot musket leaker arrested. There's actually 3 of them. 3 patriots that put out the word, and now they're going to be in jail the rest of their life or get under the Patriot Act, and they'll probably torture and kill them. So, to me, these are martyrs. These guys that did this for us patriots so we would know what was going on, they're martyrs. Alright? They will never be forgotten in my mind, and they shouldn't be forgotten in yours either. So last week we exclusively reported that the Department of Defense sought the arrest of 3 enlisted soldiers believed to be responsible for leaking information on a covert government plan to militarize the southern border. Now we have learned that 1 soldier has been arrested, and the DOD has intensified its manhunt for the 2 remaining suspects. So I'm not going to read all this. You can get into it, but the dad turned this kid in, and they've been trying to teach that in school forever now. It's another program that they indoctrinate our kids with, that if your parents do something wrong, that you should call the police. And you should. If they're touching you, hurting you, starving you, great. But that's not what they go after. They go after stuff like this. When your child should be a patriot with you, not be forced in school to think, hey, my mom and dad's bad because they're patriots. Because they believe in, their First Amendment right, or the right to carry guns, or, that is our American right. And our kids should be taught that in school and at home. Not at home and then get to school and all of a sudden your parents are bad. I don't understand this. I don't even know that I believe this dad did this. This might be a made-up story just to circle it around, so it's it's programmed already in some people's heads that they go and start telling on their parents or their family or whatever. Everything's a big program, a big trigger. It triggers people to think certain things and act certain ways. So this is what I'm seeing. And so for Hot Musket believers that thought it wasn't real, well, they're arresting people for it. For life. Maybe death if they get the Patriot Act. So how real is it? How real is it? This is crazy. Alright, so I just wanted to put this out here. You can go to Someone's Bones. Like I said, they got some pretty great stories on here that you should check out. And you should go read this. I'm just not reading it. I hate reading, for one. And I think people get it better if they read it on their own. I'll just give you a little bit of the insight of it. So, anyway, go read this. Out here, so they will make an example of him. He's essentially been found guilty already, and any trials is merely a formality. They've already charged him with Article 90, 92, 98, and oddly 104, aiding and abetting the enemy. How is that? What did he aid and abet the enemy? What, because he helped the Patriots? Because he helped the United States of America people know what's really going on? This is some bullshit. They're even thinking of indicting him under the Patriot Act. This kid will never see the light of day again, but as they say, let the punish fit the crime. This is bullshit. This isn't a punishment that fits this crime. This guy is a hero. And the other two that hasn't been caught, they are heroes. Pray for these people. Pray for these patriots that did a good thing and that are actually heroes and being treated as if they're an enemy of the state. It's bullshit. This is Rhea from Patriots Rise Up.